Hi guys, The Flowers TV is here and welcome back to my channel guys. So gagawa tayo ng rectangle base guys. So let's do it guys. Yan na nga, inumpisan ko na po yung paggagawa ng ating arrangement with the Diplypillium na blue. And dadagdag din tayo ng white na Diplypillium dyan guys. Yan, tinusok ko na po. And tutusok ko din po yung Casablanca and roses po dyan na blue. And I hope you like it, our outcome of our arrangement guys. So thank you nga pala sa mga nagsusubscribe, nagpa-follow sa aking page and sa YouTube channel. And mabuhay po kayo guys. And salamat po sa suporta. And for more video guys, tutorial of our how to make flower arrangement, please subscribe our channel and page The Flowers TV here to help you guys. So ayan na nga, patapos na po yung ating ginagawa guys. So I hope you like it, our design today. Yun, inikot-ikot ko po yan para matansya ko po yung distansya, yung measurement ng pagtutusok, leveling, and important po yan sa florist. So guys, comment down below guys kung ano pong gusto nyo pong ipapagawa doon sa mga arrangement para at least try kong gagawin po, and isasali ko po yung pangalan nyo guys pag yung request nyo po is magagawa ko. Maraming salamat po guys sa pagsuporta nyo sa aking page and my YouTube channel, and please like and share our video today's guys, and comment below guys. And yan na po, malapit na po tayo matatapos guys. At yan na nga guys, kinuha ko pa yung eucalyptus at tinatakpan ko yung floral foam para mas maganda po siya at hindi po siya nakikita yung pinagtusukan. Yan po, malapit na po tayo matapos guys. Enjoy watching guys. Love you all. God bless. Ito po ang ating final outcome of our flower arrangement today. And I hope you like it guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow my page, and share and comment and like. Thank you guys. God bless you all. Enjoy your watching guys.